Picture this. You're crushing it. Maybe you're a rock star entrepreneur, a top-tier athlete, or the go-to person in your family. Your skills are unmatched, and you know it. But here's the tough question. Is your talent secretly destroying your life? Are your strengths pushing away the people you care about? If you've ever felt like your success comes at the cost of your relationships, this video is for you. Stick around, because we're diving deep into how a superiority complex might be sabotaging your happiness, and how to fix it. So, what exactly is a superiority complex? It's not just confidence, it's when you believe you're better than everyone else because of your skills, education, money, or even looks. Maybe you're a high-flying manager, the family breadwinner, or the one with the fancy degree. But here's the truth. That mindset might be hiding something deeper. Superiority complex is often a defense mechanism. It's like a mask you wear to cover up feelings of inferiority. Maybe from childhood struggles, social pressures, or feeling like you're not enough. For example, let's say you grew up being told you weren't smart enough. So, you worked hard, got a degree, and now you flaunt it to prove you're better. Sound familiar? But here's where it gets messy. That need to feel superior can make you act arrogant, dismissive, or even condescending, without you realizing it. You might think, I'm just proud of my skills. But to others, it feels like you're putting them down. And that's when your relationships start to crack. Let's make this real. Imagine you're the star at work, closing deals, getting promotions. But every time you talk, you're subtly, or not so subtly, reminding everyone you're the best. Your coworkers stop inviting you to lunch. Or at home, maybe you make more money than your spouse, and you can't help but point it out during arguments. Ever said something like, I'm the one keeping us afloat? Ouch. Here's how a superiority complex might be sneaking into your life. At home, you might outshine your spouse in one area, like your career, but they could be a pro at something else, like cooking or keeping the family together. Your kids? They'll destroy you in any video game. Your siblings might be better at sports, writing, or singing. But if you're always acting like your skills make you the best, you're creating distance. That's why so many divorces happen. When one partner feels superior, it breeds resentment. At work, you might be the top performer. But if you're dismissing others' ideas or acting like you're untouchable, your team will resent you. Collaboration suffers, and so does your reputation. With friends, ever notice your friends pulling away? If you're always one-upping their stories or flaunting your success, they might feel judged or small. The difference between confidence and a superiority complex is huge. Confidence says, I'm good at this, and I'm excited to share it. A superiority complex says, I'm better than you, and you need to know it. One builds bridges, the other burns them. So, why do we fall into this trap? It often starts with insecurity. Maybe you grew up feeling like you had to prove yourself, to parents, teachers, or peers. Or maybe society's obsession with success, money, looks, status, has you chasing validation. Social media doesn't help, right? You see everyone posting their highlight reels, and you feel pressure to outshine them. For example, let's say you're a successful businessman. You worked hard to get there, but deep down, you're still that kid who felt overlooked. So, you lean into your skills, your deal closing, your hustle, to feel better than others. But that ego boost is temporary, and it comes at a cost. The more you try to prove you're superior, the more you alienate the people around you. Here's the good news. You can overcome a superiority complex and rebuild your relationships. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Here are 5 practical steps to get started. Admit you might have a problem. Be honest with yourself. Do you feel superior because of your skills, money, or status? Recognizing it is the first step. Try this. Ask a trusted friend or family member if you ever come across as arrogant. Their answer might surprise you. 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparisons are a trap. They either make you feel inferior or superior, and both mess with your head. Instead, focus on your own growth. Ask yourself, am I better than I was yesterday? Not, am I better than them? 3. Celebrate others' strengths. Your spouse might be an amazing cook. Your coworker might have killer ideas. Your kids might dominate at Fortnite. Notice their talents and praise them. It builds stronger connections and reminds you that everyone's got something to offer. 4. Practice humility. This doesn't mean downplaying your skills, it means being real. Admit when you're wrong, ask for help, or say, I don't know. It's not weakness, it's strength. Try saying, hey, you're better at this. Can you teach me? 5. Dig into your why are you acting superior to cover up insecurity. Journal about where this mindset comes from. Maybe it's childhood, social pressure, or fear of failure. These steps aren't just about fixing relationships. They're about freeing yourself from the pressure to always be the best. Your skills are a gift, not a weapon. Your skills don't define your worth, and they shouldn't destroy your life. A superiority complex might make you feel on top for a moment, but it's a lonely place to be. Take one step today. Maybe it's apologizing to someone you've dismissed, praising a loved one's strengths, or just reflecting on why you feel the need to be better. You've got the power to change. If this video hit home, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.